Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. Triangle ABC is a right triangle, EDCF is a square, AD is equal to 40, BD is equal to 30. We need to solve for AC and BC. Let's connect point C to point D. CD is a diagonal of a square, and therefore CD is the bisector of angle ACB. Now we can use the angle bisector theorem. The angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite side into two segments that are proportional to the other two sides of the triangle. AC over AD is equal to BC over BD. If you are not familiar with this formula, check my video with the proof of this formula in the description below. Let's sub in the values and solve for x. X is equal to 4y over 3. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, AB squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. Let's sub in the values, and after expanding and simplifying the equation, we are left with y is equal to 42. The full explanation of how I solved this equation and ended up at this result can be found in the description below. Now let's solve for x. X is equal to 56. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.